At this point, I'll repeat myself. Yet, there's truth in repetition. Bear meat, it's the apex of flesh. I haven't sampled them all, mind you, but perfection stands unchallenged. Trichinosis lurks, demanding thoroughness in its preparation, never the pleasure of a medium-rare bear tenderloin, but 1,000 routes to savor. Here, in this visual tale, I delve into messenger alchemy and the aromatic poetry of Indian spices. Bear infused with saffron, sided with coconut rice, and the dance of a sautéed cauliflower. A riot of hues and taste explode. Grossly chop some onions and garlics, and heat up some vegetable oils in a pan, about 5 tablespoons. Here I have about 1 gram of saffron, which fetch $70 price here on Canadian market. And we will slightly fry it just to activate the aromate in the saffron. After 2-3 minutes, you can take it off the heat. We'll prepare the mason jar by adding some salt, some onions, the garlic. Split the saffron evenly in your mason jar, and you can add the excess oil that you have left. Next, the meat, which you've seen we've cubed previously. We're going to add a lot, but I mean a lot, of sweet paprika. Mix thoroughly, and when you think you have enough, just for good measure, add some more. Fill the mason jar up to the neck and pack it densely. We'll wipe out the rim to make sure we have a nice seal when we're closing the jar. Just finger tight. In a pot large enough, I'll add a tablecloth at the bottom to prevent direct contact with the metal and the glass. Add water up to the neck, and we'll send it to a slow boil for about 3 hours. In a small pan, you can melt some butter. We're gonna start the rice. Here, I like to activate the lemongrass and the onions. I'll put the mix in my rice cooker and add the rice. Make sure to wash the rice at least 20 minutes prior to cooking. Here, instead of water, I will be using a hefty dose of coconut milk. And you can supplement it with water. Next, the cauliflower. We'll chop it up into sizable bites. Again, in a large pan this time, we'll melt some butter, some cumin seeds, and mustard seeds. Add the onions. The smell coming through is incredible. Add some curcuma, just for the color. And stir from time to time. The color will develop, and as your onion becomes translucent, we will add the cauliflowers. Mix well. We'll add about a quarter cup of water, and we'll close the lid for 6 minutes on medium heat. 3 hours later, you can pull out the jar. Don't open them yet. Wait at least 15 minutes. As you see, the content is still boiling inside. And there you go, the bear saffron sided with coconut rice. You can garnish the cauliflower with some fresh chopped coriander. These colors are amazing. And the smell, you will not believe the smell. It's incredible. Thank you so much for watching, folks. See you in the next video.